very big tough time here. I'm direct to Abuja, the idiotic court. Holy. Sorry,
Excuse me. Let's go. Oh God.
Nnamdi Kanu. Now we there here. We moved down here. We are live and direct. Don't die. I tell you. I said. Are we there here?
Nnamdi Kanu should be free.
I said.
Any day you put a broadcast, we'll still be here.
That's so.
In solidarity with him.
That's so.
No retreat,
We
no
are live
surrender.
and we are direct.
Live and direct.
I tell you.
3 months in Nnamdi Kanu.
Time to the coco. And so. Alright guys, I got to go back. Alright, bye. So we are live and we are direct here. I think everything is off. The enjoyment is off. And now we are heading home.